Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge coin now for the first time in the past 9 weeks. For the first time in the past 9 weeks, Shibadoge have now dropped below $30 million market cap. Now, Shibadoge have lost about $4 million in the past 24 hours. Remember, cryptocurrency right now is experiencing a drop in price. Right now, so many coins are dropping in price. But Shibadoge, since the beginning of this year, January, Shibadoge has maintained a market cap of over $30 million, and this have never happened before. Of course, before we Shibadoge were just having $5 and $6 million market cap, but right now Shibadoge even hit about $36 million market cap, and for the first time in 9 weeks, Shibadoge have maintained a market cap of over $30 million, and today Shibadoge have finally dropped below 30 million, and the market cap right now is trading at 29 points. So I believe losing $4 million in just 24 hours. Wow, this is a lot, and I hope I hope that this will just stop, because we can't afford to allow Shibadoge to drop, because with experience, as of last year, Shibadoge increased today. The next 2 days, Shibadoge going down. That's also what Shibadoge was. That was a trading of Shibadoge that discouraged so many people until finally Shibadoge break that record of hitting rising within 2 weeks. We saw Shibadoge $20 million market cap within 3 weeks. Shibadoge $36 million. We're happy, and some people have been saying then that with the next 7 days, Shibadoge will drop back to $5 million market cap again. All these people pumping money will pull it out. But Shibadoge proved them wrong. Now this is March. This is March. From January, Shibadoge have maintained a market cap of over $30 million, and for the first time in the past 9 weeks, Shibadoge have now finally dropped below $30 million. But I still believe Shibadoge is a great coin. Shibadoge will continue to rise. Now, not just Shibadoge. Assuming this is just happened to Shibadoge, I would say wow. But I think even Bitcoin, even Ethereum, even BNB, even Cardano, even Solana, all these coins, most coins are experiencing a drop in price. BTC have lost over 20% in the past 7 days. Okay, so many coins are actually experiencing a drop in price, including our Shibadoge. This is why Shibadoge is dropping. But I hope that this week, before the end of this month entirely, Shibadoge and crypto industry will rise back and hit back at where they are. So I believe that Shibadoge is going to make us proud. Let's keep hoping to see how this week and this month will be going for crypto industry. For me, $29 million is still not bad. Of course, it's not yet bad. And then I hope that, because our major focus is to see this Shibadoge hitting $100 million market cap, let's say between $50 or $100 million market cap. But please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video. And please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.